Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mermaidia from Barbie's Fairytopia. I don't know, but you do need VIP for this. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair. Use this hair in this color EEB67D in only bangs, no adjustments made. This too, no adjustments made, in the same color. This one in default, position it the same, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.36. Grab this hair, no adjustments made, and then grab this hair in the back toggle with no flowers. Position the Y 0.36, Z 0.63, rotate the X to 0.54, and scale it the same. For the outfit, I'm just going to grab this top over here. I'm going to color, I think this light pink color, FF87AD in glitter. Then we're going to go here to the Valentine's Day area, grab this one. And first this color in glitter. And then we're going to use this color and then that color again. I think I used this color actually for that part. And then we're going to use this outfit too from Codes, this one. In this color DC547F and also glitter. And then I also added this too, second toggle in the same color as the top here. Then I also used this necklace in that same color. And then you can use sleeves, but you can't see it because of the hair anyway, so I just left that out. And then I used this dress here in the skirt only toggle. Colored the first two this color in silk. The last one the same as the dress in glitter. And then I also used this one here in the third toggle only in this color in silk, like so. And then I also went to VIP and I got the other like layering skirt in this color in silk. Then for the mermaid tail, you can use any of the ones you have, like this one, or where's the other one? Is it here? Okay, I can't find the other tail. I can find this tail, however. So I'm just going to use this one in this purple BC71FF, and then that purple again, and then the pink. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.